Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make banana muffins. These are so delicious. So, let's get started. Alright, in a washboard and a sifter, put 1.5 cups of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, now you can't add a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg if you want, but for this recipe I'd rather not, so just sift all that in. Then put on 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of roughly packed brown sugar, just mix these together a little bit. So you get yourself a cup of butter and melted. Put that in. 1 large egg. Mash up 3 white bananas. We'll use overripe bananas if you want. Just put that straight in. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we'll mix it in. Now, don't over mix. We don't want to over mix it. We just want to mix it in until it's just combined in a nice little banana muffin batter. Now preheat your oven to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit and get a muffin tray with running with some muffin cupcake holders. And just get a little bit of the mixture and put it in each one. Now just pop this in the oven for about 20 minutes and then we'll see what we get. These are what they smell absolutely delicious. I'll just leave this here for about 5 to 10 minutes before you take it out here. So, and put them on a plate and start eating. This is so good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for banana muffins, as you can see. Oh, these are so good. Smells divine. I gotta give it a try. These taste like banana heaven. So delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.